What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. Today we are going over, as usual, chart technical analysis through the crypto market. And like I said before in my previous streams, feel free to ask any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And also, you could tune in every morning. I usually stream every morning, and you could chat with me live, or you could leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. And today we are looking at Bitcoin. As of yesterday, we saw that it was at a downtrend, right? I did create a new Fibonacci retracement and a new trend line, and I did see that it did hit the major support, like I said, and it went back up. It retested. So it did a little bit of both of my options that I predicted. It went through option 2, and now it went through option 1. So I think what's gonna happen here, I think it's still gonna retest this this micro support here, and then start shooting back up. Let's see. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, the 44,000 is a major support. Like I said before, it hit it 4 times, and now I think if I'm right, I think Bitcoin is gonna be slowly going back up here, because since it hit this major support, I have a feeling it's gonna start going back up here. So let's see if we need to add anything else. Okay, it broke through the trend line. Maybe we could start adding a new Fibonacci retracement. I wonder if I could hide this here. Is that possible? Nope, it's not possible. Okay, I just gotta remove it. Alright, let's move that. Let's move this. Move the circle with these arrows. We'll just leave that there. Okay, let's go ahead and put this. So from the swing low to the swing high, which is, okay, it won't be there actually. I don't think we need to add a Fibonacci retracement because it's just gotta form a uptrend, right? Looking at the moving averages, the moving average hasn't crossed yet, so we'll just have to wait it out. But once it does cross, I think we have a good indication that this could be an uptrend motion. So yeah, I think when the market hit this 44,164, I don't think it will start breaking. I don't think it will break through that, just because that's a huge major support. That's my prediction. So we just gotta give it time. Once this cross, I think by tomorrow we'll get to see if it's gonna be an uptrend or it's gonna be a downtrend. But we'll just I'll say just hold it out, and I believe once it breaks this resistance retest, I think it's gonna start going back up. And why I say that is because this micro resistance here has been retested in this level several times. So instead of doing the Fibonacci retracement, I'll do an arrow. Something is to be here. Once it breaks through this, all right, breaks through that, come back down, hit the, this would be a new support once it breaks, and then start going back up here, and hopefully go back up to, I think right about here, the 48,000, and then hopefully slowly catch back up with everything else. All right, cool. Solid on Bitcoin here. All right, next is let's check out Ethereum. Okay, so right now it is retesting on that downtrend that I created yesterday. So we will see. We can't do anything much here. We just gotta see if it's gonna break out through this trend line. On option 1 or option 2 is gonna consolidate some more, break through the support, retest this box, and then it will shoot back down. So we'll definitely have a better understanding when we see this tomorrow. But right now we just kind of have to let time do its thing, and we have a better understanding. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Ethereum. So let's go ahead and check out Litecoin here. Okay, Litecoin. So Litecoin, it did option 1, right? It let me draw by where's my circle? Here we go. So it did option 1 here. It's going down the trend line. It broke through it, right? Broke through it, and then retest right here. I'm gonna make this box smaller here. Boom. So you see it. So these two candles, right? Retested the trend line, and then boom, shot up. So like I said with the arrows, broke out, retest, now shot back up. So my prediction so far is correct with the Litecoin. I feel like it's gonna be the exact same thing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So and the moving average just crossed. It is I think we could remove this Fibonacci retracement since the moving average crossed, so now it's gonna be forming an uptrend. So from the swing low to the swing high, we got here. This is solid right here because it tested at 0.786, right? Tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shot up. So far looking good. Right now it's gotta hit this resistance, this micro resistance here. Once that breaks out, retests, I think we should be good here. So let me draw an arrow. So it will break through this, right? Hit the resistance, and then continue going back up. Now I'll say it could keep going all the way back up to 216 possibly. Yeah, I think that's what I'm thinking here. The 216 mark right there. So yeah, once it crosses through, creates a golden circle, it for sure will go back up. Let's go ahead and delete these arrows here on the second option, since now we got a big update about where the Litecoin is going. All right, cool. So on to the next one. Next one would be let's check out XRP here. Oh wow, it shot up out of nowhere. Right now this one's kind of hard to say, still kind of consolidating here. I'll draw another horizontal line. So this is strong resistance, strong support. This is the micro, everything within inside it. Right now still consolidating. So we'll just have to wait on that want to give it some time in order to know if it's gonna be an uptrend or a downtrend. It has to either break through this resistance or break through this support. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here. So hit this the support here, the micro support. Broke through it. That's like a false breakout. Where's this at? Okay. Yeah, as of right now, we just gotta give it time. I think hopefully by tomorrow we'll get an understanding of where the market is gonna go. So we'll just leave it at that. Let's go on to the next one here. So we're looking at, let's go ahead and look at Doge. So for Doge, so this is okay, so it's a downtrend, right? So it hit the 0.382. It might hit the 50, or it might hit the 0.18 before probably going back down. Let's look at the 1-hour chart here. Okay. Yeah, it's not breaking through the 0.382. It's below this 50 moving average. So I still believe it's still a downtrend here. It just needs to break out this support in order for it to go back down. Or it could just hit the support one more time and then start going back up. That's one of the two options. There's nothing we can add here, so that's pretty much it for Doge. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Alright, so we're looking at Cardano here. So as of earlier, I believe it. What's this? This might have been like last night that it tanked up. So now it's forming an uptrend because it broke out of this downtrend line that I created. So let's go ahead and move that. Let's go ahead and move this downtrend. Since it created a new higher low, higher high, since it's forming a uptrend. So let's go ahead and create that here. All right, cool, solid. We have that. Yep. Okay. So this, so that's the new Fibonacci retracement. It hit this resistance here. Let's see, where is this here? Okay, on the 4-hour, it hit this micro resistance. So what it's got to do is it has to break through that in order for it to go back up. And once it does, it will have to retest this this horizontal line before going back up. Right now, everything is looking good for Cardano. All the moving averages starting to moving towards back up here. That's a huge you know, buying power. So what it could also do is it might just go back to the 0.5 before going back up. So I'm thinking it's gonna hit this. I think it's gonna hit this box, and it's gonna go back up. So this is my prediction. It's gonna hit that, then hopefully break out, retest, and then go back up. That's option 1. Option 2 is honestly just breaks out, then retest, then hit that. All right, so that's Cardano. That's another way that could happen. All right, cool, solid. I think that's it for Cardano here. Those are the 2 options that it could play out. So this is option 1, option 2. And I'm thinking option 2, that's most likely is gonna happen because it's hitting this resistance here, and I feel like it's gonna come down a bit before going back up. All right, cool. That's it for Cardano. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. You gotta look at Polkadot here. I think I was doing this in the 4-hour MC. Yeah, it was in the 4-hour. All right, so Polkadot is still looking good here. It's still in the uptrend. It hit the 0.618 a couple times, hit the 0.5 a couple times, right? That's the line where we wanted to hit, right? This box. Now it's climbing back up here. We potentially might see a higher price point here in the next sometime this month, actually. Yeah. Let me see here. Okay, going back up. It just had to break through this micro resistance here, and then start heading back up. So that's pretty much it for Polkadot. We just gotta give it time, and then we'll figure out where it's gonna go. Alright, let's go ahead and check out VeChain here. Okay, this is definitely a trend here. Let's go create that. Right, boom, like that. Okay, so 2 options, kind of like how it did for Litecoin. It went through so Litecoin, it went through this trend line, right? Broke out, retest, and went back up. That's what happened. So I think that's what VeChain is gonna do. It's gonna break out this trend line, retest, and then go back up. And I think when that happens, it can start forming a uptrend based off this moving averages. So let's go ahead and draw these arrows. So right now it's kind of like in a descending triangle here. So first option, break through, retest, and then come back up. Not sure where, but it's gonna come back up here. Or 2 is just gonna keep coming down. I should really draw a horizontal line here because this has been hitting here. Okay. So there's that. Come up here, and then might just go even lower and might hit this. Is that 10 cents? Okay, so 4-hour chart shows still a downtrend motion. The 1-hour chart, it's forming an uptrend, but it's still a downtrend motion. So is there gonna do option 1 or option 2? It's one of the two that's gonna happen. It will have to break this out in order for it to go back up and make it start becoming a bullish. If not, it's gonna become a bearish still, and it might come all the way down to the 10-cent mark. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for VeChain. We just gotta wait it out. We'll have a better idea tomorrow. Alright, I believe Shiba, let's go check out Shiba. I believe it's in the consolidating phase right now. Yep, you can tell by this moving average is all together. It hasn't picked a direction. So there's nothing much to look at here. So let's move on to Polygon. Okay, Polygon is having a hard time forming a uptrend here. It's slowly like a downtrend, but it's not significant. However, the 4-hour here, if this crosses, then it might form a downtrend, but I have a feeling that it might cross and then it just might be a fake cross and then go back up there. That potentially happens because this is a really strong support here. It hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a false breakout. It's hit it the 6th time, hasn't broke through it. What can I do here is I could draw a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, hit the 0.5. Let's go look at the 1 hour here. Yep, it just gotta cross here in order for Polygon to go back up. So yeah, right now is a downtrend right now, so we just gotta wait it out. It might retest at this support level, and we might have a better understanding of where the market's gonna go. I think this is a trend here. Something like that. All right, cool. That's about it for Polygon here. Just kind of have to wait it out. All right, let's go ahead and check out Solana, because Solana's been doing really well. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour here. Alright, it's right below this 193. Sorry. 191. 191, 190. Is that what it's showing me here? Hold up. Oh, it's showing me on the daily. Is it daily? Yeah. Okay. So right now it's really above the 20 moving average, as you can see. So I think it's gonna start. I think it's gonna push through this resistance, retest, and then probably go back up to 250. Let's go a closer look here. See like a little trend here. Boom. Okay. So it's in this little ascending triangle here, right? And then from there, I believe once it breaks out, retest, it's gonna go back up. So breaks through, retest, and then go all the way, possibly to 250. Actually, hold on, let me put a resistance here. Okay. I think what it could happen is it has to break through this. Break through this other resistance, retest, and then go up, right? I think this has to go through 1, 2, and then 3 is the final stage. Cool, solid. I think we could draw a Fibonacci here. Actually, I just noticed. Here. Yeah, this is solid. The 0.618. We got a trend. All right. Cool. All right. I think that should be it. We're looking at Cardano already. Let's go ahead and look at FTX. I wonder it's okay. Let's hang at the 0.5 here. Let's see here. It's like in a consolidating phase right now. I still think it has potential to hit right here and then follow this trend. Even though it broke out of it though. But FTX is still a solid uptrend. You can tell by the moving averages. I honestly think that it will hop in back inside of this uptrend, possibly. It's been like in and out, It's like this one, it false breakout, went back in, false breakout, might go back in as well. I think tomorrow we'll have a better understanding. So we'll just leave it at that. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and look at Chainlink. Chainlink is I'm thinking okay, it's right above the 200 moving average. So that's a good sign. It might start actually Chainlink. For Chainlink, it might go back up slowly here. Right now it's kind of just slowing down a bit, and then I think it will go back up. Yep, it's at the 0.382. I think once this moving average is crossed, I think we'll have a better understanding where the market's gonna go. Because on the 1 hour, it shows as a downtrend. 4 hour, still considered as an uptrend. So we just gotta wait it out and see what's gonna happen. I think hopefully tomorrow we'll see. We'll see what's going on. All right. I think we went through majority of the coins here. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna probably end it here. So like I said before in the very beginning, feel free to well, first things first, if you do like my content, feel free to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, so you could get that notification that I'll be going live. I go live every morning. So I do my best to give valuable information about where the market is going, you know, always about price predictions. If you do have any questions about crypto in general, I can, you know, we could do some Q&As, right? So yeah, thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a blessed day.